Hello Salmedo, welcome back to IndiAfrican. Today we are going to make kingfish ghee roast, so called Anjal. Let's check out the ingredients first. Red chilies about 5 to 6, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, cumin half tablespoon, fenugreek seeds about 4 to 5, a pinch of mustard seeds, black pepper 4 to 5, tamarind 1 tablespoon, 3 to 4 curry leaves, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per your need, about a teaspoon jaggery. Now let's heat up a pan in a medium flame. Pour 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Let's add red chilies and fry. Add all the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, black pepper and curry leaves. Fry them for about a minute. Let it cool for some time and transfer it to a mixer jar. It's time to blend. I didn't show you guys the ginger garlic paste when I was showing the ingredients. Use half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, tamarind, jaggery, salt. Add about 50 grams of water and blend it again. Now let's heat up the frying pan and add a tablespoon of ghee. Let's add the blended masala and fry. Masala looks a bit thicker, so let's add some water. You can also add a spoon of ghee. Fry it nicely. Once the masala is nicely fried, and it's time to add the fish. Coat the masala all over the fish and fry all in all about 10 to 15 minutes until the fish is nicely fried. As the name says, roast the masala and coat it all over the fish. Make sure both the sides are fried nicely. So we have fried the fish really well, and it's time to serve and taste. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do try and enjoy, and let me know how is it in the comment section below. I'll catch you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.